Hi everyone, welcome back to Autopedia. Today we're excited to bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Bugatti Divo, a revolutionary hypercar that's packed with innovative features and capabilities. Let's dive in. Exterior design and color options. The Bugatti Divo boasts a sleek and aggressive design, with a bold front grille, LED headlights, and a sculpted body. The exterior color palette includes options like French racing blue, carbon black, and Italian red, as well as custom color options. Interior features. Inside, the Bugatti Divo features a premium cabin with seating for up to 2 passengers, optional heated and ventilated seats, and a high-resolution infotainment display. Technology options include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, and a premium sound system. Performance specifications. The Bugatti Divo is powered by an 8.0-liter W16 engine, producing 1,500 horsepower and 1,300 lb-ft of torque. The transmission is a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic with all-wheel drive and a top speed of 261 mph. Safety features. The Bugatti Divo features advanced safety features, including Bugatti's advanced driver assistance system, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, as well as a collision avoidance system. Comfort and convenience features. The Bugatti Divo offers a range of comfort and convenience features, including dual-zone climate control, a premium sound system, and driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane centering. Dimensions, cargo capacity, and towing capability. The Bugatti Divo measures 185 inches in length, 78 inches in width, and 47 inches in height. Cargo capacity is up to 5 cubic feet, with no towing capacity. Fuel efficiency and range estimates. The Bugatti Divo boasts an estimated EPA rating of up to 9 mpg combined, with an estimated range of up to 200 miles on a single tank. Trim levels and pricing information. The 2025 Bugatti Divo is available in 1 trim level. Base starting price of around $3 million. Conclusion. Inclusion. That's it for today's in-depth look at the 2025 Bugatti Divo. This revolutionary hypercar is truly a marvel of innovation and performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.